Check out this very affordable Fleetwood home, model 2444 2P. This porch model manufactured home is the perfect lake house, hunting lodge, starter home, and it is also perfect if you are looking to downsize. The Fleetwood 2444 2P is a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom, 1,026 square foot double wide manufactured home. This home is in Fleetwood's more affordable series of homes, so you can buy this home for around the cost of a new truck. For pricing information, please visit our website at KentuckyDreamHomes.com or call one of our 3 locations for more information. Prices do vary a little based on each customer's needs, freight, state regulations, and taxes. Although this home is in a more affordable series of homes from Fleetwood Homes, it does have it where it counts. It has Zone 3 Northern Insulation package and Low E thermal pane insulated windows for more energy efficiency. If you would like to special order one of these homes, there are a number of upgrades you can choose from. You can select different siding, different roofing, flooring, different cabinets, different countertops, walls, appliances, and a whole lot more. You can also upgrade this home with full drywall, 2x6 walls, even more insulation than the Zone 3 Northern Insulation package that this home already comes with. You can also upgrade the flooring. If you want to upgrade appliances, cabinets, you can do all that as well, and much, much more. You can also stretch this home and add a 3rd bedroom to the home if you need a 3-bedroom version of this home. You can also choose all of your own colors inside and outside of this home. However, if you like this home just the way it is and want to save some money, this home is on special and is ready to be purchased right off the lot. And it is also ready to be taken to your home site for installation right away. So if you are currently renting and would like to put your money in your own pocket rather than your money in your landlord's pocket, this might be the perfect starter home for you. Due to the incredible value of manufactured homes, there are now lenders financing almost any credit score, and financing options in many cases is much faster and far easier on a manufactured home than a site-built home. You can now fill out an online credit application on our website. Please visit us online at KentuckyDreamHomes.com or come by one of our 3 locations and walk through some of our incredible homes. At Kentucky Dream Homes, we are family owned and operated. We always guarantee the lowest prices on every home, and we believe in treating all of our customers like family. So thank you for shopping with us today, and I hope that we can make your dream home become a reality. Remember to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more incredible home tours. Thank you.